Whirlpool self-cleaning bottom-loading commercial water cooler with ice-chilled water. This cooler is an excellent choice for anyone who needs an in-between water cooler. The cold water function dispenses at about 9 degrees cooler than most of the other water coolers available. When compared to the competing water coolers, it's clear that this Whirlpool water cooler will outlast many others that are available. The structure of this unit can withstand up to 300 pounds of weight and maintains its cold temperature very well. The exterior design uses the same basic construction as most of Whirlpool's other options. Its complete stainless steel water dispenser has a nickel-plated stainless steel door for its bottom loading door. But across the top section, we see the same black plastic that we know will attract fingerprints and grime. The Whirlpool self-cleaning bottom-loading commercial water cooler with ice-chilled water serves its purpose for years to come, whether it's in a kitchen, home, or office. The only downside is that single safety function on the hot water dispenser is a compressed lever. Many other models are changing their safety functions to reach out to outreach buttons that children can't reach. Consider the safety function before buying if you know you have small children around.